If you are looking to generate more leads, check out the Golden Prospector System. Includes fully customizable Contact Manager Upload, unlimited amounts of contacts, and organize all of the data you need to communicate with your contacts in the most effective way. Inbound marketing campaigns, customize and manage the flow of every single call that comes into your business. Know exactly where and who to send them to in order to maximize every single opportunity. Your customized phone system, every single bit of flash and dazzle when it comes to your own phone system is here with Golden Prospector. Set up call menus, unique greetings, auto dialers, drop ringless voicemails, and more. SMS Marketing System Leverage, the fast-track power of text messaging in your marketing messages. Gain the ability to create text message campaigns and reach out with unlimited text messages to anxious subscribers and prospects. Watch your conversions go on a tear with text. Elite level email system, immediately create high converting email campaigns and blast them to thousands of potential clients. Set yourself up for a continuous flow of email marketing to the masses in order to maximize your clients and subscribers. Booking calendar, tracking reports, team management, and monitoring. No matter what aspect of prospecting, follow-up and conversion you need in your business, it's here. Check out our Golden Prospector VIP system at goldenprospector.com/VIP. And it's goldenprospector.com/VIP.